Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. This is a piece of acetate I have trimmed off. One side is smaller and one side is larger. I want to use that as a swipe card. And I also have cling wrapped foam brushes. We'll see if I use those or not. So I've got some meat and paint, and that's my main objective, but I'm going to start by giving myself a center place. And I'm not going to worry too much about what happens to that. I could probably torch. And I should probably also check to make sure that's in the center. It's a little bit that way. Okay, well, it'll just have to do. Let's put some more on this side and maybe it'll move down. I'm not going to worry about the orange either. So what I am going to do is put some meat and white paint around. I'm going to use the bigger bottle, like a smart girl. And I'd like to just put like a shovelful, but I think I really just want to try some experimentation. So something's changed? No, nothing's changed. And I'm going to have to hit that with a torch because I can see that it's full of bubbles. And I'm pretty sure any gaps that I leave will get filled in. I'm going to use a little black Meeden. My Meeden paint recipe is the same as my regular recipe that you can find under the video, except for I have like 1%, maybe 2% distilled water added into that. And I'm going to dip into it. But for right now, I'm going to use colors that I like, because this has occurred to me last night while I was doing the angel wing large cell pour. And I really meant to do the outside edges first, but I don't think it matters. I'll figure it out. Time to mix some more paint. Time to order some more paint. That was the neon purple from Folk Art. That was a turquoise that I added iridescent pearl fine to from Golden. It came from Hobby Lobby. If I want more paint, I'll just add more paint. No clue what this is going to be like. Be nice if I checked that all my tips were totally clear. I did check most of them. This one seemed to be coming out fine at the time. I didn't put that over the Meeden, but that's okay. I'm perfectly happy to keep on experimenting. That is the neon pink from Folk Art. It might even be fluorescent. So this is fine, just adding colors that I like in succession. I think I'll be adding a whole bunch more of the Meeden, but where's my gold? Let's just fill that Meeden in the center. Lopsided though it might look. I don't think it's going to matter. That is a Decor Americana 24 karat gold. The orange is just a Hobby Lobby brand. Modern Masters Touch. I get all those Modern and Masters things confused pretty easily. Alright, so I should have done my edges, and I suppose if I want to show you how fast and easy it is to spread this Meeden on the edges, I could just dip a finger in there, or foam brush. And that's one side. It spreads really far. It's a lot like ink. It stays black even though it's watered down. It's amazing stuff. I really like it a lot. There's two. And I'm just going right up over the edge. Just a little bit. Right there. Spreads really well. One more side and we're ready to go. Just two fingerfuls. does the whole 14 by 14 inch side. And you just run your finger down. You can feel, unless you're using gloves, I don't know what you're going to do if you're using gloves. I can feel the texture of the canvas, and if it's not slippery, then I haven't covered it completely. I think I'm going to use my foam brush just to show you how fast the corners could be done. Because why not? Because I can. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link next to my second book called Unlimited Possibilities. They are both on the link tree, which is right under the video. If you shop the Amazon link, you help me buy art supplies. I think I'm going to need some more Meeden in my dish. I love these little plastic cling wrap foam brushes because nothing is absorbing in there, but I still get that bounce. I'm kind of hoping that I have enough paint, and I'm a little nervous that I don't. So my inclination right at this moment is to possibly put some more paint right next to the Meeden. It's not like everything else, i.e. maybe some Prussian blue or some dioxazine purple. But I've got a nice coverage, amazing coverage really for one coat with the Meeden black. Just sort of trips my trigger and blows my mind. And I am obsessing about my circle. And I don't need to because most of it won't be showing. And it's continuing to spread. And even though it gets thinner and thinner, it still covers. And you can buy it on the Amazon link, duh. I had a moment. Just filling in. Cool, that's almost a real circle. Like I said, I don't think it makes any difference. So what I'm going to put down there is my Venetian, like the city, or like the country. Is it both? Venetian blue. And maybe a little bit of this Arteza pearl metallic purple that I'm not sure of the name of. Now it's time for me to take the card and dip it in the black. I'm going to start up high. And I'm going to get a scrape dish because I'm obviously going to need one. I'm hoping some colors will pop through, but if they don't, I guess I'm just going to have to live with that. I'm not seeing any. Maybe if I do the same thing on the other side. You can at least get the same effect. Now I can use less black. Sounds like a good solution to me. Like a lot less black. I may wind up wanting to leave some of the colors in between just so I can have what I want. Just the smallest amount of black now because I'm finding out that it goes way further than I expected. I will have gaps to fill in. But this is an experiment I needed to do anyway. And I've got paint in my dish if I wanted to fill in. And I'm wondering if I can just, what can I grab? I can grab a palette knife. Slow down and maybe you can make it cover. I love experimenting. I really do. You get something different every time. And I can pull those out. I could use a basting brush to pull that last ring out. It's way different. I might have to tip this. I'm really surprised I didn't get any colors popping through cell-wise, but maybe I just used too much black. And it wasn't very much either, so a whole lot less the next time I try this. Yeah, I'm just getting funky now. Pull those colors down, see what happens. Because they have those interesting stripes above, so it shouldn't make any difference. And I'm only basically pulling down from the gold, so the gold stays, and that's nice. Not sure about the middle yet, at all. Seems like I have maybe more paint than I need on here also. So I will try and go for less next time. Use my residuals on my corners so they're not straight black. So what am I going to do with that center? I want to put something weird in there. I want to put I have no idea. I'm just getting really creative at this point. No bottles in the way if you want to spin your turntable. That turntable is getting to be really making me not happy anymore. It's time for a new one. They are on my Amazon link also. I'm hoping I'm not ruining anything. Almost made it all the way around, which is what I wanted. That'll work. That's cute. That's different. I'm okay with that. One last one. Make it just right. Okay, maybe one more. Make it just right. And that's an intense pattern right in the center there. That's pretty cool. Okay, that's not what I had in mind, but it is what I have, and I do like it. It's different. Celebrate different. If you're pouring with fluid acrylic art, you are definitely celebrating different. I have a pipette, and I don't like that thing I just put in there. That's not going to suck anything. Maybe I just need a dot of something else in there. I'm not sure. I think. Hey, come out. That was like that ketchup commercial, all about anticipation. Alright, so I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Tell you guys there's over 92,000, or there's just about 92,000 subscribers. If you're brand new, please be welcomed. If you've been here for a while, thank you so much for still being here. This is very bizarre, and it was still a good experiment. I got to see what the black would do. and I like it. I could probably tip it and make it just as interesting, but I like these parts more than I like the center right at the moment, which I don't know what to do about, other than the fact that I've got some beautiful paint here, and I could just put it right down in there and not worry about it, because I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures. And I don't hate that, even though I just dripped. I still don't hate it. And that would definitely be something that would be interested to see if it cracks or not, because it really shouldn't crack. Cosmic flower for sure. And I got rid of the center, which is making me happy. Yeah, I think my paint is definitely too heavy. Time to try another one that isn't as heavy. Oh, you know what? I'm just out of control. I need to add a few dots. I would usually do this after you're gone, but since I've thought of it and I'm inclined to do it, I might as well just get on with it. That is the Anita's White Metallic. And that's me using up 20 minutes. Well, 17 anyway. So, if you guys want to help me out, please like my videos, give me a thumbs up, watch them longer. Watch them when the notifications come out. Share them, that really helps. Your comments always help. They help my morale too. So this is kind of cool. I know I keep saying stuff like that, but I'm not really trying to convince myself. It is pretty cool. I like that you can just take a dot, stick a little tool in there, and pull it and get a whole new mark. Not that much of that shows up, and I'm going to torch that just in case. Torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. We also torch to release patterns from the catalytic reaction and things. I wonder, I just want to keep playing. Alright, I'm going to be good and tell you guys if you are interested in more videos. I have over 1,800 videos, and you can find them on playlists by the 100 and by topic and genre. And I'm going to try and zoom in and show you some cells. Those are pretty. I like the black ones down there particularly. It did not turn out the way I expected. This may wind up on Paint Adventures, which is my other YouTube channel. What should I tell you guys? Oh, there's a drawing every month, and if you make a donation through PayPal or Patreon, you can find the icons on my bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, or on my link tree, which is directly below the video. And if you make a contribution, you are automatically entered in, as long as I have your proper email address and I can send you a confirmation, that is, and at which point I'll also ask for your phone number so I can call you if you're the winner. I got 1 minute left to tell you guys, on my link tree I have Facebook groups: Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More for shopping, Pixels.com and Fine Art America. Those links are also on the link tree. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums that have edited artworks from the YouTube videos. If you are interested in making a purchase, my email address is below the link tree, and I need the hashtag and file number from the title of any particular video or a screenshot of any picture. Also on my link tree you'll find that Amazon link I mentioned, and my 2 books are volumes 1 and 2, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And I know I've forgotten something, but I'm not sure it's anything other than the Teespring clothing below the video has my designs on it. And if you are interested in having a design published as a canvas print, or all over print leggings or all over print t-shirts, and you can't find it, then all you have to do is really ask me and I'll give it a shot. Look for Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links on the link tree. I will see you guys anon. I love you very much. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. Out! Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I publish it 1:30 p.m. most afternoons and Friday